In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add music to your YouTube video. It's super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do, and you can do this on mobile or PC, but I'm going to be on PC for this guide. Essentially, go to youtube.com, select your profile icon up in the top right, and go ahead and select YouTube Studio. Obviously, first make sure that you are signed into the right account. But once you are in YouTube Studio, go ahead and select content to bring up a page that looks like this and find whatever video you would like to go ahead and add music to. Let's just say I want to add music to this Snapchat recap video down at the very bottom. Select it down here, and then what you're going to want to do is actually go on this left-hand sidebar to the editor section and go ahead and choose that. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and hit get started and then go directly into the audio tab right here. And from here, you're immediately going to see all of your tracks up at the very top, where you can filter them or go directly into your library if you have anything saved. But essentially, go through this, find whatever one you would like, and you can listen to every single one of them just by hitting play, just like so. But hit add whenever you're ready to go, and it's going to add it to your video automatically. You can adjust the audio after it's added on here as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, once again, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.